All right, to start off these roasted potatoes, I use the little white potatoes. You can use the red ones if you want. If you want to use russet potatoes, that's okay too. It doesn't have to be these. Okay, so what we're going to add to that is we're going to add some olive oil to coat them. And then we just give them a little switch there. Just like that. We're going to take some garlic. Give this a little mix. Make sure everything is covered. I already have the oven preheating to 425, and this is what I like to use for seasoning. This chicken taco seasoning. I mean, this stuff is delicious. It's just good to flavor so many things, and this is one of the things that I like to use it for. Now, you have to be careful with the salt because this contains a lot of sodium, so you don't want to add a whole bunch of extra salt. And I might not need the whole pack because this is not a whole lot of potatoes. And then you just coat them just like that. Okay? And then I like to add some butter. The butter is what really gives it all the flavor. Okay, we're just going to throw that in there. Give it a mix. And then I just save the rest of it for another recipe. I'm not going to use it all right now. Okay, now I take this half-size cookie sheet and I just place the potatoes. Make sure you get all that seasoning out of there. And just give them a toss. We're going to go, after they've been in there for about, we are going to go in there and give them another toss. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to pop these in the oven. Very easy recipe, guys. I'm going to pop these in the oven and I'll be back to show you after 20 minutes what we do. Okay, now that the potatoes have been in the oven, halfway through I gave them a shake. I take just a regular jar, you can use a glass, and just press down on them. Not too hard, not smashed all the way. Okay, just like that. And then we just want to give them a little mix so that all the seasoning can get back in there, into the potatoes. Okay, try not to break them up. And now I am going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, but like I said, you need to be careful with them. Okay, so we just sprinkle a little bit of salt, and I lowered the temperature of the oven to 350, and I'm going to put them back in for 20 minutes. So I'll be back after they're done. Okay guys, the potatoes are out of the oven and this is what they look like. And they smell absolutely delicious. Now just to finish them off, I sprinkle just a little bit more of some olive oil and I sprinkle some fresh parsley. And they are delicious, just like that. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Nice and easy, quick recipe, side dish for a chicken or for a steak, for anything, guys. They're really delicious, and they're even at room temperature, they're delicious. Okay guys, that's going to conclude the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, I will have everything in the link below, on the description box below for the recipe and any items I may have used. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.